Want to know how to check for notifications in the Boo app? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Boo application and you should be provided with this interface right here. So once you are there, make sure you are logged in as well. So we have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. So once you have done that, on the top left side you should be seeing this menu icon or this hamburger icon right here. So you have to simply select it, and now once you have selected this hamburger icon, here you should be seeing your current profile right here. So now you can just simply head towards notifications right here. That's will be right below power ups, and here you should be seeing your currently available notifications, and you can also mark all as read by selecting mark all as read right here. And next thing is on the top, also you should be able to see notifications, so you can just simply select it accordingly and then see notifications, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.